Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure. Today, I'm walking you through a complete guide on how to transfer coins from Crypto.com to your Tangem wallet. This hardware wallet is a game changer for safeguarding your digital assets, and by the end of this video, you'll be transferring like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Crypto.com account set up and your Tangem wallet ready to go. Start by logging into your Crypto.com app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another coin. Double check that you have enough balance to cover any network fees. Those can sneak up on you. Next, open your Tangem Wallet app on your device. Generate or retrieve your wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Copy this address carefully, as any mistake here could send your coins into the void. Head back to Crypto.com. Go to the Withdraw or Send option. Paste in the Tangem wallet address and specify the amount you want to transfer. Before you hit Confirm, verify everything twice to avoid errors. Once you're confident, click Confirm and you'll get a transaction summary. Approve it, and your transfer will be initiated. Depending on the blockchain, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on your Tangem wallet to confirm when the coins arrive. A few quick tips for 2025. Always use the latest app versions to avoid compatibility issues, enable two-factor authentication for extra security, and never share your wallet keys. If you run into problems, like a stuck transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for updates or reach out to Crypto.com support. There you have it. That's your full guide to transferring coins safely. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.